today is day 2 of our trip to Seoul, Korea. We're going to be doing a trip to the Gyeongbokgung Palace, which is one of the largest here. It was built in 1935 and was the home to the Joseon dynasty. Of course, they have the Korean folk museum also out here. Ajay, how does it feel? I'm sure you're not too keen on going to these places, but then
It's okay, it's not bad.
yeah, I think we should go around and see. A short walk from the gate gets us to the front of the museum. We grabbed some
Strawberry latte,
and
muffins.
at the Korean National. So after this, we go to the Gwanghwamun Palace. Done with our visit to the museum, and now we move out, looking to get to the palace, the palace gate. This, I guess, is the way to the palace. Got hanbok rental stores out here, and apparently if you got the hanbok on, entry to the palace is free. Ajay, the palace is around here. Let's figure out where it is, right?
Yeah, let's find out. Where do we have to go?
If you got a hanbok on, then the entry into the palace is free. Ajay, would you want to try it?
No, not in this heat. It's too hot today.
Not too hot, it's okay, manageable.
29 degrees. Ow.
We lost our way a bit, so now we're finding our way back to the palace. Small roads all out here. Oh, these cycle rickshaws here. We're still trying to figure our way back to the palace gate, and I'm sure we'll get there soon. Naver Maps helping us. This is the famous Gwanghwamun Square. And right across that, onto my right, so I'm going to turn there, is the Gwanghwamun Gate of the palace. All the details of the palace can be found in the description below. We are lucky we got here in time. This is something I wanted to see. Change of guards, and here it is. That behind me is the biggest palace here in Korea, called the Gwanghwamun Palace. I'm not sure if my pronunciation is right. I'm not going in there because of shortage of time. We need to get back to the hotel as we have something lined up for the day. My apologies, it's the Gyeongbokgung Palace. The change of guard happens twice in a day, 10 a.m. and at 2 p.m. except on Tuesdays when the palace is actually closed. And this lasts for about 20 minutes. We take a cab back to a hotel. We need to get ready and be prepared for the second half of the day. So continue watching. That's the view from our hotel. We are at the Gangnam area, the upscale Gangnam area. We'll soon be leaving to go to the Seoul Tower on top of the Namsan mountain in central Seoul. It's also known as the N Seoul Tower. We are at the Namsan cable car base. We're going to go up the Seoul Tower, taking the cable car. So let's go up and see what's up there. That's the boarding area. The place is packed with people. The queues are only getting bigger. Being checked before boarding. Feels good. Yep. Good view of the The tower itself is 236 meters and sits on a hill that's 262 meters. So in total, 498 meters. It gives a great view over the whole city. So as we alight the cable car, we walk up this way. Up in case you're not taking the cable car, it takes you right up to the top. Love locks. Interesting. Don't know why they have to come up all the way to project their love, but then that's as high as it can get. And there we are at the base. This is where we're going to have dinner tonight. And before that, let's have a look at what's around here. Hi, this is Josh.
I'm Josh.
Josh is his English name. He's got a Korean name. What's your Korean name?
Hanjin.
Hanjin. Hanji.
Hanjin.
So he's showing us around the city today. And thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Okay. And welcome to India.
Oh, I hope so.
He looks forward to coming to India.
Yeah.
Good luck. All the Josh. This is a fantastic view of the city from top. Beautifully lit up, and as much as you can see, as far as you can see.
혜성아, 위에서.
It's a great atmosphere out here, and lots of people. Weather is also holding up, so we're enjoying it. Keep watching, there's more to come. Over the next few days we're going to be here, and then of course go down to Busan.
Thanks for watching and continue doing so. So that's it for now, and now it's time for us to go down. That would be great view. Just great view of the city from the cable car.
Finally, we have completed the descent and come back to the base. I'm going to take the coach and get back